Good evening, all. I once again welcome you for the Microsoft Power BI session number 2. Today, in this session, we are going to see the installation of Power BI desktop. How to install Power BI desktop? What are the ways available for installation? I'll guide you through each and every step. Since this laptop is already installed with Power BI, I will start connecting my other desktop where it is there is no installation. Okay, so I'll show you everything from there, and then you will be able to see that. I hope the other screen is visible for you with the Google Chrome opened. Okay, so now from now onwards I'll continue on this until the installation is completed. The very first thing, there are two methods or two ways you can install. The very first and easier option is to go to Microsoft Store. In Windows 10 or 11, you have this Microsoft Store. Open this Microsoft Store, and in the search menu, you will just go type Power BI and search for it, Power BI Desktop. You will have this Power BI Desktop, and when you click on that, you have an option to get. It's a free version, you can easily install. Okay, just install on, click on this and then install. This is one method. This is a recommended method in if you are working in an organization, because Microsoft releases updates every month, and if you are downloading from a browser and installing, every time to get a new updates you have to contact your IT support team. Since it is in an organization, they only will have the access for installation, everything. But if it is installed here, you can just click on the store and you will get updates. You will be able to update it. So that is one advantage. That's why we recommend to install from here. Alternatively, as I already told, you go to Google Chrome, any browser, and look for Power BI download, desktop download. You see, this is the link. You click on this link, you will have an option. You can choose different languages also. There are many languages available. So for us, we will use English, and then click on download. Once you click, there is a pop-up available. It gives you two options. This is Power BI desktop setup. If you download this, this is only for 32-bit processor. Almost everyone will have 64-bit processor now, so it's always better to download this one because it is mentioning x64, right? The very old laptops, probably which was purchased before 2008 or something like that, you may have 32-bit. Otherwise, almost all the laptops, latest laptops, all are 64 bits. So you can just click on this and say download. I started download. I'll wait for that to complete. Once it is completing, you have to click on that and start the installation. Okay, it will finish quickly. I'll just show you everything. Yeah, the download is complete. You can click on show folder, or you can directly click on this. It's up to you. Okay, and just double click on this setup. The installation begins. You can follow the on-screen instructions. Okay, so select the language. I will keep it English and say next. Yes. So now the next screen comes, preparing install. Okay, this is the step it's starting with, and here you have to accept the license, and let the installation be on the default path. Better not to change it. So click next and create a desktop icon. If you would like to have a desktop icon here, you can create it. If you don't want, every time you are okay with clicking the start button and navigating to Microsoft Power BI desktop, you can remove this. It's up to you. Choice is yours. And click install. That's it. wait for the installation to complete. Let the installation go on. I will move to the other screen. Once this is complete, I will come back here. So installation is going on. To install Power BI desktop, as I told you, you have two options. Either search for Power BI on Google and navigate to the official Microsoft website, or you have an option to download it from Microsoft Store also. Okay, so this two way you can do it. And you have two different types of versions. One is the free version, which we are installing currently, that is Power BI desktop version. And it will allow you to connect over 70 data sources and publish to the web and export reports to Excel and PowerPoint. But if you want to collaborate in your organization, you are not alone. Maybe more than one people are working on a particular project. You want to collaborate with all those people, and you want to share the content between the other colleagues. So that is not possible with desktop version. So you should have subscription based. Okay, so Power BI service, that is a subscription based, and this is approximately costing $14 per user per month. And if you are in UAE, I hope Etisalat is also providing this at the price of 37 or 40 AED per month, I hope. Okay, so it's up to you. You can do the way you want. Okay, and I told you earlier, so it is very important to keep the Power BI updates. See, very important. It's essential to stay updates with the latest Power BI features, as the software frequently receives updates. So every month they are keeping on updating. Many changes they are giving. They are changing the way we are accessing the interface, and sometimes they are changing additional. They are providing additional visuals. Okay, so every time they are giving. So if you want to work effectively, you should always keep this Power BI updates to the latest. Okay, it should be updated and kept it effectively. Okay, now I will move on to the installation screen. It is still not completed, it's going on. Okay, and it's about to finish, and we will complete this session after opening the Power BI from this PC. Okay, so just stay connected and wait for some time. Yeah, installation is complete now. So I'm going to launch Microsoft Power BI desktop. Click finish and it will launch automatically. And since I told create a desktop icon, so you could see the desktop icon here. And Power BI desktop is launching for the first time in this PC. Yeah. So this is the initial screen when you start. You will have home, open, and then there are some other options like sign in, options and settings, and about this about will give you the information related to Power BI. Okay, what is the version, etc. And you will see select a data source or start with a blank report. Means I can just start a blank empty, and then I can connect as and when I need. I will connect to different data sources which are all available here. And here you will see recent recent visuals which you have created, dashboards, whatever you have created, those dashboards will be visible here, the file names. And if anything was shared with you, you can see that if it is a service. To see this, you should sign in here. You can see here. So there is an option for sign in. Right now we are not going to do anything. At a later stages I will teach you how to create a trial license, and then how to sign in here, and how to share the Power BI visuals. That will be at a later session. Okay, so with this I concluded the session for Power BI installation. Thank you. Hope everybody will follow this instruction and keep the Power BI installation in your desktop ready before the next session start. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining.